What should I play today, Ronan?
I don't know.
What should I play? I only have 15 Robux. I don't want to use it.
15? I thought you said 50.
Oh, I used it.
On what?
Something. Okay, what should I
Something
play?
dumb? What did you use it on?
Hi, there we go. What is it? Can you join me, mommy? Me, please. What should I play? Oh, this is new.
Magic Simulator, that's new. Do it. Do it. Just do it.
Okay. So
Magic
hello
Simulator.
everyone. I'm gonna play Magic Simulator today.
Please subscribe.
Brave.
Subscribe.
I'm an alien. Really quick one.
How is my... Oh, wait, yeah.
Magic or L?
Magic Corral?
Magic or L?
Maybe it's one of those simulators. Oh, Fireball?
Whoa. How do you play?
Press 1. Okay. Oh, I know this song.
What song is it?
I don't know.
Oh, this game. Magic Simulator. I got you. I need to get you.
You wasted it.
Why?
You need to get coins. Oh, you need
Oh,
to
is
kill
it?
them? Oh, you need to get coins.
Oh. Let's get this pink one. Oh my god. It's too laggy. Don't you dare come for me. Oh, I had to wait 5 seconds.
Oh, that's annoying.
I know. Oh my god, someone has 2 million.
2 mil? Oh my god.
I'm the last one.
You level. Wait, press this one right there. That one. I wonder what happened. Oh, what?
No.
Oh, go to that shopping cart thing. Hold on. Oh my
I
god.
just wasted it. They all have the same faces. 15? Hey, I'm on level 2 now.
Look at that. No, I do this. What's that?
This?
No, I said this. The shopping cart. Oh.
I don't have Robux. Oh, I do have Robux, but I don't have enough. You call this Magic Simulator? Only if we had ones.
This is like one of those clicking games. I don't really like those. Actually, I kind of do. But it's hard to show.
It floats? This is a giant one.
Get it.
Get it, you.
Oh, jeez.
I'm the one that's gonna get you. How strong is this?
Whoa!
Oh my god, they stole my kill.
Whoa! Look how many coins you got. I wonder what you can do with the coins. Comment down below what you can do with the coins. Guys.
Oh, there's a shop.
Wait, can you kill people?
No.
Try to. Oh, you can. Okay. Oh, go to shop.
That's where I was going. I just like going on these. I don't know why. Let's see.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Maybe that's what you can do with them. Buy one.
Wow.
You can't buy
I can't buy anything.
Yes.
No, I don't have enough coins.
Did you just fart?
No. Hey. Remember I like to bounce?
Yeah.
I just like bounce. Wait, what was that?
Oh, get the purple guy.
Yeah. Yeah. No! Stop! Oh, I still have a lot. Yes. Don't you dare steal my kill. Yes.
He's gonna help you though.
Don't you dare steal my kill. Oh my god.
Well, how much health does it have?
No. Can I go on this tree?
Where? Go! Go get it.
What the?
Oh, he stole it. I
Yeah.
told you to do it. Wait, what?
Let's see. Remember my sister?
Yeah.
Can't get it there.
Is there a barrier?
Maybe. Let me see. There's a barrier right here.
There is?
Yes.
I want to try this game. Now. Why am I a girl?
Because I am good. You're a boy.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh. Fireball on you.
Stealing your kills. Okay. This.
I want to try to shoot this, okay?
And 8 minutes on another game.
No!
Oh my god.
My hands, no!
Three. How was that two?
Gotcha. Got you again. Whoa! Oh, you should have hit that. Whoa! Get away from me.
Yes.
Oh!
Okay. Let's play another game.
Alright.
Yes, I'm sure I'm one. What should I play?
Missile.
What?
Someone. Oh. What? Before he joined, after he.
Where he joined? After he did.
What is that? Beep City. Jailbreak? Right? Is it called jailbreak? Mining simulator. Why does it look so different?
Magic mining simulator?
Mining simulator.
Oh,
Wait, why is it called magic?
no.
Wait.
So,
Watch the video for more likes. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, like and subscribe.
we still have 7 minutes.
Okay.
No.
Stop. We still have 6 more minutes.
Stop! You stop! You stop! You stop! Stop! Hey, new music. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot what pickups you have. I'm gonna try.
Hi, Tito.
Okay, it's kind of laggy because we did high detail.
No, it's not because of that. Now, let's choose by drill.
What the? Why is it so?
Why does
Why does that guy have anthro?
think he has Anthro.
Why
He
is
looks
he-
like Jenna.
Oh, he's just stretched out. Oh.
It's you.
Go. Go down in the mine.
Why does the mine look so black? People only dig a few holes. Oh yeah, I remember this. Oof, oof, oof. Info.
You're not even getting. Wait, you haven't even. Whoa, got some dough. Stone. What?
It's a fossil.
Thistle?
What's a thistle?
It's a fish hole. Oh, what is that?
It's my spider.
Whoa!
I got a chest.
Boy.
Now there's some dirt here.
I mean, there's more of a chance for getting a.
Let me go down here.
Okay, guys, it's been a few hours. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god. Why would you think it's a few hours? Is this
It's
a
been a
chest?
few miles.
Miles.
Miles?
You said miles.
Yeah, Miles. Whoever's name is Miles, I'm talking to you.
Whoever.
I don't even know.
Jade.
Regret? No, no regret.
Ooh, I found another chest. Let's get this fossil.
Fossil.
Ooh. Kills. Let's get this fossil. Ooh, and I found more cores. Dinosaur bones. Ooh, more dinosaur bones.
What are those?
I found copper.
Oh no.
Ooh, more fossils. I wish I could go deeper. Ooh. Ooh. Chest. Ooh, copper. Okay, I found some fossils. Ooh. Oh. Hey, get out of here! I'll just get out of here. Hide.
Get the chest!
That's what I'm doing.
You just steal it.
No, I didn't.
Is the shovel bad?
I don't know. So what?
Okay, you should probably sell that now.
I'll make it.
Okay, guys. That's it for the video. So, whoa!
Hold on. It looks Darth Vader. See? Are you Darth Vader?
That's it for today, guys. Have a good one.